Annoying refrigerator.
What the? Great, just what the kitchen needs.
Why do you hate me so much, Microwave? Is it because I'm so cool?
No.
Is it because I have 2 doors and you only have 1?
Why would I care about you? Why would I? Would you stop slamming your doors?
If you have them, slam them, I always say.
Ah!
Hey! We slamming doors over here? Slam! 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 Slam!
How the heck are there 2 of you now?
Have you heard of smart appliances?
Yes.
We're the opposite.
Stop it! Stop it right now or I swear to God I'll let you both!
Wow, that's metal.
Yeah, well, I suppose I can get pretty angry when I...
No, that's metal.
Huh? No! No, 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 no! Never put metal in the microwave!